can't take it back. Look where I'm at. We was OG like DOC, remember that. My TOC was quite OD, ID my facts.
Today we'll be making a vlog. Yeah. Hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe. Peace out. Right, so we've arrived at Churchtown. So yeah, seems to be a few people. Yeah, I'm just gonna down my scooter. So yeah. I missed all of that. Right, you gonna do it again?
Yeah, I want to know about it though.
Go on.
Don't say it yet, promise.
In the meantime,
Fuck off though.
go on. No, no.
Alfie? Why would you go with your sister? Why would you go with your sister? They're a do bar? Yeah! Can we actually go do bar?
No, fuck yourself.
Can we go do bar?
Fuck yourself.
Break the camera much.
Whole point. Oh. What are you filming? Seriously?
Look, I can't focus it now.
Yeah, I'll keep filming.
We are heading towards home with Alfie Lancaster. Check him on. Check his YouTube channel, Scoot Guy. Check it out. His channel will be in the description, so yeah. Right. See you at my house. Change of plan, we're going to George's house. Yeah. Can't see nothing. Cha. Meow. Oh. Spot. Yeah. Right, because we're in George's house, might as well shout her out. So yeah. So follow her on Insta at, come on, g.hxn.
One hour later.
Yeah. I shall see you in a bit. Right, here we go. Right, I am now home. I think I'm just gonna have some food, cup of tea, and play some games and off to bed. So yeah. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my first vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more, like, subscribe, comment, anything. Yeah. Peace out.